Moving on from the latency video that you saw on our booth, I'm now going to show you in exactly the same place how we measure lip sync. I'll do a piece to camera and you can see just how badly it could be out. So here I am in my time machine. If you were to have a look on the multi-viewer, you should see that because we've aligned both cameras, the pictures looks the same from two different angles. But oh my goodness, the sound and the picture don't line up, do they? The lip sync isn't right. But is it wrong by the audio ahead, is the audio behind, and by how much? It's really hard to tell by eye. So what we're going to do is we're going to measure it. That sound that you can hear is data in the audio. And that allows us to measure exactly how long it's taking the audio signal to get there. We know how long the video signal is to get there, so we can compute the loop sync. And that's exactly what we've got here. We can see that the audio is ahead by 195 milliseconds, which is quite a lot. The reason why it's so hard to tell by eye and ear whether that's wrong is because in the human world, we never hear things before we see them. It's always the other way around. We see and then we hear. And strong. That's it. Thank you very much. So back to 195. Please have a look what happens when I move the microphone a very short distance. That reading was 195. We're now taking a new reading, which has gone down to 193. As I say, I moved the microphone a short distance. I've only moved it 2 feet. The speed of sound is approximately a millisecond a foot. I'll put it back so you can see that I'm not cheating. Glass is so accurate, you can actually use a microphone as a ruler. All right, we've got 197 milliseconds of delay there that we need to add in order to get the audio in sync with the video. Anna, would you like to do the honours and apply some delay to the audio, please? Okay, we've applied our delay. We're just going to take another measurement from glass, and you can see it's gone to 0. 0 means we are nicely timed up. But to prove that, I'm going to get back into shot and do another piece to camera. All right, we've lined up the latency between our two cameras, and if you were to pan over to the multi-viewer, you will see that we've actually got the lip sync right now. It looks and feels right, so by eye and ear, everything's good, but we have a machine who's told us that it's perfect timing.